Hello! So I have purchased a GoPro camera, although you can't see it because I'm using it. And well, I decided I'm going to do some more, well, I'm going to use the GoPro for more of my odd jobs I do, small jobs that I can't be bothered setting up a big camera for, and, you know, a microphone and all the good stuff. Whereas I can just use the GoPro, I can just clamp it onto things and show you them as I'm doing them. So I'm going to make an outdoor stand for this GoPro that I can clamp onto. And basically, I'm going to take one of these two used dead brake discs and cut it in half and then weld it on the top of this one in like an arch. And I'll show you why I'm doing that once I've done it. So let's set up and do it. Okay, so I'm just going to mark a line on here with a marker pen and, well, straight edge and chop it with a plasma car. Let's see. Vaguely something about it. Not that it's going to be particularly straight with the plasma car, but the old shaky hands syndrome. But let's we'll need metal on metal contact for this to work. This bit of mat will not work. Goodbye, mat. Right, that mat, the edge. Table here, and start cutting. Can't see. Yeah, I think I got most of that half. Most of it. Just now come back and finish it off. Obviously, brake discs are pretty thick for cutting. These are going to go slow. Well, unless you've got like a million amp, not million. I think mine's a 40 amp plasma car, so if you had an 80 amp, you'd be able to go a lot faster. Well, hitting it with a hammer, make it break. Oh. Oh. Yay! Stage B, grinding and welding. Right, so these are the two bits we have. I had to go back and notch out this middle bit because I forgot it's got a hump in the middle, so that now sits on there. I like that. I've run the grinder over these bits and two edges. Remember, we're not building bridges here or anything like that, we are just joining these two bits together to make a mount for a camera. Right, so I'm going to stick weld them because it's cheap and I got a lot of sticks, a lot of electrodes lying around, so 6013s, let's batter in and get this welded on. Will help if I turn the welder on. Fairly sure there's a ground clamp attached to something somewhere, but let's get in there, see if we can hold this very vertical. I'm beginning to doubt my ground clampness. Hold on, one of these is my ground clamp. There we go. Fine. That should be alright there. That should be alright there. In the middle, it's close enough. Here's a lot of rust. Come on now, one more. Okay, half rod lying about. Oh, I need about half rod. What's this? This looks like a half rod. No, it's a whole rod, but it'll do. Last but not least, Ta-da! Welded. No. Right, well, let's cool down for 5 minutes. Okay, here she is. I even dipped her in the water tank to try and cool it down a bit. Now, you're wondering, why did you cut half a brake disc and put it on top of another brake disc when you could have just welded a piece of pipe, or a piece of pipe such as, you could have welded a piece of pipe like this into the middle of your brake disc and, you know, put your clamp on that. Well, you know I'm one for safety. I'm all about safety third. If you have this base piece lying on the ground and you've basically got a metal tube poking out of it, what you've done there is made a ground spike. If someone were to trip and fall and land on that, it's like landing on an apple corer. You would get speared. That's pretty dangerous. This design, this leaves you with, well, if you're falling that, it's gonna hurt. It's gonna hurt like fuck. But it's not gonna spear you. It's not gonna jam through your inside organs. Is that cool enough to show you the clamp? So I'm gonna take the clamp. Well, I don't need to take the clamp. I can just show you a clamp. So imagine this horrible, rusty as fuck, knackered welding ground clamp as the base of the GoPro that I'm currently attached to. I can just clamp that on there like that, and this can sit on the ground underneath a vehicle, next to a vehicle, on what I'm working on. Have your clamp attached anywhere, any angle on here that's suitable. Sticky bit there, GoPro on the end, and that gives you something to clamp your GoPro onto. And like I say, it's safe. If you fall on it, it hurts. It's not going to stab you, it's not going to spear you through the middle. So this will probably feature, well, I won't feature in videos, but it'll be in the background in some of the videos holding this GoPro camera onto, hopefully. And I'll probably make more of these videos, short and just the general, not general, but the odd jobs that I do that I don't set up for properly, you know, just quick jobs. We'll call them quick jobs. So thanks for watching, guys. Okay, a little addendum add-on piece that I thought about as soon as I'd finished making it is that the clamp, where's the clamp? The clamp, while going on here, the angle of the GoPro is actually up here somewhere, so it made more sense to put a right angle bit on right there, and then you can have the GoPro coming up out of here. Again, you can still put your clamp on this way if you wanted to be over there, like this was sitting on top of something you wanted to film down the way, you would have that on that edge and you could film down. But I put this bit on, it's literally just a bit of right angled steel and I've welded it on both sides. That's just an add-on part.